In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and look to the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually see the name of the project you're currently working in. Go ahead and click on that project name to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to your available projects and a few project-related options. Once the drop-down appears, look for the option that says Create Project and click on it. This will open the setup window for your new project. At this stage, Mixpanel is basically asking for a few important details so it can create a workspace that fits your needs. The first thing you'll do here is give your project a name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you expect to manage multiple projects later on. A simple descriptive name can save you time and confusion in the future, so it's worth taking a moment to name it properly. After naming the project, you'll need to select where your data will be stored. This setting is important because it determines the data residency location for your project. In other words, it affects where your project data is hosted. If your organization has any compliance, privacy, or regional requirements, this is the point where you'll want to choose the appropriate storage location carefully. Next, select your time zone. This step is also important because it affects how your analytics data is organized and displayed over time. Reports, dashboards, and event timelines will all depend on this setting, so make sure you choose the time zone that best matches the team or business using the project. Picking the correct one from the beginning can help avoid reporting confusion later. Once you've entered the project name, chosen your data storage location, and selected your time zone, the final step is simple. Click Create. Mixpanel will then generate your new project, and that's it. Your new project is now ready to use. From there, you can move on to configuring tracking, inviting teammates, or setting up dashboards depending on what you need next. But as far as creating the project itself goes, the process is very quick and straightforward, and that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a brand new Mixpanel project set up in just a few clicks.